Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to check out how to use Wave with budgeting tools. While Wave does not offer built-in budgeting features, you can use its data in external tools like YNAB or Google Sheets or even Every Dollar. Here's the steps. The first step, export income and expense data. You're going to go to accounting and then transactions or reports. There you're going to export as CSV and import into your preferred budgeting tool. Step 2, set budget categories. Match Wave's categories like office expenses or freelance incomes, those kind of categories. Be sure to match those with those in your budgeting tool. Some tools allow importing of bank feeds as well, so be careful to avoid duplicate entries if also importing from Wave. Step 3, update monthly. Set reminders to export your latest data and update your budget tracking. Recommended tools to use Google Sheet budget templates. This is customizable and free. You also have YNAB, you need a budget, that's what it stands for envelope style budgeting. And you can also use Every Dollar. This is zero-based budgeting with visual planning. A pro tip, you can also automate this flow using Zapier or Google Apps Script for monthly synchronizing. That's pretty much it for the video guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one.